Namaste, my name is Rahul. Today I am going to talk about the Oriental medicine therapy, the Oriental way of doing the therapy and to overcome the stress and the indigestion problem. So, according to the Oriental science, we have a different meridian line passing throughout the body. So, for the face, according to the Oriental science, the meridians passing through the body are like this, passing from the body through the face, it's like this, okay? So, with the help of these meridian, we can cure the indigestion problem in our body and the stress related problem. So these days, because of corona, it's very difficult for us to go with the normal routine. So that's why also sometimes people also suffer from indigestion, and obviously it's a very stressful situation which prevails these days. So we'll try to sort it this kind of problem with the help of just a small kind of therapy which we can do by ourselves using our own hands and with the help of our own. Okay, so what we have to do, firstly we have to do a check of our abdominal muscles, how much it is tight or how much it is loosened. So how we have to check, there's a sternum bone in between the both rib cages. Just beneath the sternum bone there's a hollow space. Put your thumb to that part and your little finger at your navel or belly button. Okay, now in between them, just in between them, there is a space. You have to check just in between them, or you can just put your 5 fingers near your belly button. The thumb, which is the part of the thumb which is coming towards the abdomen, you have to now use with the help of your index finger to push it inside. Okay, see how deep it's penetrating. Your fingers is going how much deep. If you feel pain, you can go slowly. Just between your sternum bone and the navel. Try to feel that pain. If you are feeling any kind of pain, try to feel it. Feel whether your abdominal muscle is tight or it is loose. If it's tight, it's very difficult to take your index finger deep in. If it's loose, you can easily take your index finger in. Now after that, with the help of your middle finger, we have to pat on our temporal bone, near temporal bone. So how you have to do, this is the temporal bone, or you can check the exact point where you have to pat is, this is the eyebrow and the line, the horizontal line crossing your temporal bone, the horizontal line crossing your temporal bone, you have to pat with the help of your middle finger. Okay, you have to pat 1 second 2 times. With this patting, the serotonin, a chemical, a hormone releases. The serotonin, also called the happy hormone, it is an antidepressant hormone. You can do it initially for 1 minute, then you can continue according to your problem, the severity of the problem. Okay, now let's again try to take the index finger in between the sternum and the navel and try to take your index finger inside once again to check. Now again feel the pain and try to compare the pain before and after the tapping or the patting of the temporal bone. Try to compare whether you are feeling still the same pain or whether your abdominal muscle get loosened after patting the temporal bone. If you feel that it's still there is a pain or still the abdominal muscle is tightened, you can again try to pat the temporal bone. So you can do until you feel that there is a relaxation or the loosening of the abdominal muscle and there is a less pain. You can tap till then and keep on checking. Okay, this is the first thing, overcome the indigestion and to overcome the stress. Now the second way how we can overcome the indigestion is, again according to the oriental therapy, this is the cheekbone. So we have to push the cheekbone with the help of the thumbs for 30 seconds. Relax. One more time. So as in the yogic sciences or according to the yogic sciences, we have a different energy channels. Similarly, according to the oriental science, we have a different energy points and each energy point is connected to the other energy centers. So these points is directly in connection with the abdomen. Relax. Okay, this is the second technique to overcome the indigestion. Now the third practice is more or less similar to the yogic science or the yogic way. In the yogic science, we have a third chakra, which is called the Manipur chakra, which is near your navel center. But in the oriental science, the third chakra, they say, is again in between the sternum and the navel center. So we have to use the same point which we were pushing earlier. Again, put your index finger there and try to push. Now with the pushing this time, you have to imagine the yellow color, or you can imagine the sunflower color. With the closed eyes, imagining the sunflower color and slowly pushing the index finger in. This pressing of the third chakra, according to the oriental science, relaxes your diaphragm, and when the diaphragm relaxes or in the healthy condition, the breathing automatically get improved, the lungs capacity of holding the oxygen also get improved. So these three techniques helps to overcome the indigestion, helps to overcome the stress, and helps to make your diaphragm muscles more healthy, more workable. So keep on practicing every day for at least 15 minutes. In this type of situation where we are every day, we have a we are trying to overcome this corona situation. Keep on practicing, be healthy, be safe. Thank you very much.
Thank you.